In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see who liked your thread on Threads app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Threads, and the cool feature is that we can see who liked our threads, and also we can see who liked someone else's trend. All we have to do is just select a thread, and then we need to just stop at view likes. What that will do, that will show us each user that has liked the thread, and then we can go to their profile if we would like to, let's say, follow them. The same about our own threads. We can go to our profile. As you can see, I got one like here, and all I have to do to see who has liked the post is just stop where it says one like. As you can see, it shows me the user who has liked the post.